Welcome to step 2. In this video we'll be figuring out exactly where to install your lifter. Let's start by making sure there is enough room. Place your lifting frame on the floor where you would like to lift the hardtop. There should be at least 5 feet from the rear pulleys to the wall behind the Jeep so you can still open the rear window on the hardtop. There should be at least 4 feet from the pulleys to the sidewall so you can open the doors of the Jeep. There should be at least 5 feet from the rear pulleys to the edge of the garage door when it is open. Here comes the important part. The 4 pulleys on the lifting bracket are 15 inches apart. You need to make 4 marks on your ceiling that form a 15-inch square directly above where the pulleys are. One way you could do this is to measure from the back and side walls to the pulleys and then use those measurements to make marks for each pulley on the ceiling. Or you could use a plumb bob or laser. Either way, you need 4 marks on the ceiling forming a 15-inch square. Your MyLifters and carabiners will go on these marks. We'll call these location marks.